gonna be trying the sourest candy in the world.
Can I try too?
Hey, whatever you want.
Yeah. Oh, I tried that one. Why you rule 5?
I ain't no hoe. Tongue in, tongue in.
5. I get the bill for 5.
Get 2.
I got it before 5.
Hey, Tone, Jim a hoe, right?
Oh, God.
Tone, Jim a
You a
hoe.
hoe, nigga. Take 2.
He a nigga. Get that shit.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'll take 2.
I bet.
Oh, yeah. My brother just nuts.
Once.
My brother.
Say that.
My brother.
3, 1, 3,
2, 1.
Take 2 at once?
Yup.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Ah! Oh, shit. Nigga. Ah! Oh, shit.
Oh, God.
Oh, wow.
It ain't that bad.
Yeah, it ain't that bad.
I never been some pussy.
It's over with. Woo! They had a tough coat on that, I'm not gonna lie.
But that shit tastes like ass, bro. It don't even taste like blueberry, bro.
He said it tastes like, it tastes like ass? It tastes like blue raspberry after all the coating. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty sweet.
That shit nasty as fuck. That shit so nasty, bro.
Shit.
That shit, fuck that shit, bro. That shit out my face, cuz.
How you feeling?
Nah.
Talk about something my brother just said to me. That shit was nasty as hell though, for real. You still eating it? You ate enough?
It ain't sour no more.
Oh, he nasty. Freak man.
He got it in his
freak
mouth
man.
too. No homo.
Hey, yo!
Freak man.
Hey, yo! What the fuck?
Freak man, freak man.
That's something bad. I heard something bad. How you feeling? You get sweet.
Yeah, it's fire.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
It ain't bad. First time, it's not the sourest candy I tasted ever.
Yeah, that's definitely the sourest. That's definitely the sourest candy I've ever tasted. No cap. This. He got this off the dark web. What the?
Clean up tomorrow.
Oh, I had to spit that shit out.
It tastes like acid at one point, bro.
It did.
Bro, like look what's in this motherfucker, bro.
That motherfucker said sweet.
Fuck that shit.
Y'all crazy. Oh, that shit fucked me up.
Bro, that shit nasty as hell.
Oh,
What?
oh, that shit fucked me up, bro. Nah, bro. Nah, bro.
Talk about something my brother just nutted me. That shit nasty, bro.
That's a balance feel good. Hell no.
What is it supposed to be? Some
bet.
Jolly Ranchers?
It's time. It's time.
Time for what?
We can make some popcorn, nigga.
Popcorn.
Fuck.
Alright.
You don't got no instructions. Fuck it.
Wait, is that the same? You didn't pop? You never popped that before?
Nope. I don't know if you take the cardboard off or not. Do y'all think so?
Nigga,
I don't
what you Yo, bro, goofy word too, bro. The fuck? Talk about something. My brother.
Oh yeah, it says so.
Okay.
A few moments later.
This ain't for the
What's your favorite scary movie? No, I'm not burning down the house. Not this time.
Bro, at my
What are you talking about?
At my crib, that's what he did, bro. Alright, so we gotta smack this boy. We gotta smack this boy. This nigga wanna go make some cookies, right? Bro left the cookies and passed out, bro. He passed out.
Good.
He left the cookies in the motherfucking oven, bro. Bro, I woke up the next day. That shit was in there. Jordan said the cookies was silver, bro. Jordan said the cookies was silver. He said he was like the fire alarm was going out. I was like, I was smacked the fuck, so I was slumped, bruh. But the cookies was silver, and bro, there's a mark in my oven now on the floor where the outline of where the cookies were, bro. Like, come on now, dude.
Stop counting.
Nah. Stop cat. Yeah. Yeah. Nigga don't know how to cook, bruh.
Yeah.
Blow the crib, bro.
Hey, wrap that shit up, nigga.
Also,
Do that shit.
Iraqi
Wrap
type
my
shit,
crib.
bro.
Go ahead.
Nigga finna turn into a terror
Wrap
trying to
that
cook
shit
type
up.
shit, bro.
Yeah. Go ahead.
The candy kind of getting a little sour again, ain't it?
Yeah.
God.
I really spit that shit out.
My shit gone.
Y'all some pussies. I ain't gonna lie.
Bitch,
What you
I took
mean?
two.
Fuck you mean you
I
want me?
took two,
Alright,
too.
then, say that.
I took
Fuck
two,
you.
nigga. What the fuck
What
you
you
talking
want? What you want me to pop another one?
Yeah, you
Yeah,
got it.
yeah, pop another.
Bitch,
Bitch, I want two. You took two. Cause you all big.
You ain't held it in your mouth.
He won't keep it in the whole time. Cause
No homo.
he all big.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright.
Nah, hell no. Fuck.
Two times.
Yeah, alright. That's just so fucking nasty, bro.
Ain't that bad.
Dang. That's just nasty as fuck, bro. That shit make my teeth feel weird, bro. Fuck.
Taste that booty boy.
Easy, bro.
Hey, yo.
What you like, cook? I ain't cook. Easy.
Damn.
Hey.
It started to taste like foam at one point.
Fuck, nigga. Suck a dick, bitch.
Alright, whatever.
Pussy.
Whatever. You know, I'm gonna get him in the boxing.
Yeah, alright. Hit that nigga right here.
It's
Look, look,
alright.
look. It gonna be like, boom.
Oh, yeah.
That's right there.
Yeah,
That's it right there. This shit right here, put a motherfucker out.
Damn.
Hit that nigga right there, boom. It's over.
While I'm turned around, it's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
See, that's the.
Alright, motherfucker. I'll fuck that boy up, bro.
Hell no. Hell no. Clap back.
Yeah,
Hey, muscle don't mean everything.
that shit don't
Unless
mean
you-
nothing.
Yeah.
If you don't know how to hit, bro, that shit don't
I
mean
know how
nothing.
to hit. I got muscle.
But you gotta step when you jab, so you gotta.
Ugly
That shit
hook.
was slow as fuck.
That
I
ugly
ain't
hook
gonna
on
lie.
God, boy.
Nah, you too strong, bro.
Look at that shit. That slow ass hook. That nigga said.
That shit was slow.
He said
I
you
ain't
work
gonna
out
lie.
way too much.
Yeah, you slow. Slow.
Oh, God.
Nigga just got.
Oh God, he
just got.
Bro, look, he.
Come.
That smell burnt as fuck, cuz. Just go stand, like over here smell good, go stand over there. Go stand over there.
That shit fried, nigga.
Oh,
It's good, nigga.
yo,
Are you gonna try it?
that shit on fire, bruh.
Yeah, what the fuck?
That shit finna explode.
We're done. We're done with the candy.
Bro, this nigga just don't know how to cook. What the fuck is you doing? Yeah, so it's done.
I can still hear hella C's. Y'all are capping like fuck. Alright, it's probably sunburnt, but
Damn! Ow! That shit nasty, bro. It's hot.
It's the calories. Calories. Calories.
fuck you, dude.
Calories. Yo, that is funny as fuck.
Y'all capping on this shit. There's your butt. It ain't burnt.
Nigga.
That shit tastes.
Cuz said it ain't burnt, cuz. Gus said it ain't burnt, cuz.
That shit.
Let me get that one.
Hey, when niggas eat, they be fighting over like who.
Oh God, who poisoned who?
Hey, nigga, this is my side.
I'm like, come on down here, nigga. This is slapping. What the fuck? What? Why is this shit?
It's no burnt as hell.
Oh God! This is a movie theater and popcorn, cuz. Nigga grab 7, only hit 1, bro. Look, all them on the floor, bro.
What you think about?
Damn. Nigga fast as hell.
He said, you got it.
I eat props, nigga. Yo, that's mine. Where'd he go? Y'all, check him. Black niggas. Black niggas assemble.
Good look at
Yeah, we ain't similar to your shit. Light skin ass, looking ass.
motherfucker.
He gonna say, "Massa, it was that."